Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, as always, I'm with the club who found a stick. You're like the Star Wars kid. And we got our new friend, Rick. How are you, Rick? Good. Today's going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm going to hand the keys over to Kleb.
I have the keys.
Kleb, where are we going today?
I'm going in the bush. And then we're going to get some tacos. Tacos El Gordo. Fat man tacos.
Fat man tacos. Rick, I know I just met you and all, but
I got that.
Tacos El Gordo. Gordo Tacos? I don't know where it is. So the place we're going to today, it was totally Kleb's idea. Back when he was stationed in the military, apparently him and his buddies, they found a taco shop that he won't shut up about. It's called El Gordo Tacos. Fat Kid Tacos or something. I asked him what he liked mostly about them, and he surprised me with his answer. He said they had beef gut tacos. I thought he was bullshitting, so I checked the internet, and sure as shit, beef gut tacos. They also have cowhead tacos. Anyway, this place has been around for 40 years. There's a total of 5 locations, 3 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and 2 right here in Southern California. The one we're going to is in Chula Vista, which is the original. That's all I got. Except I can guarantee you I'm not going to eat a beef gut taco. But we're going to watch Kleb eat one, or 2. And then after that, I think we're going to try to find a Philly cheesesteak. We'll see. Might be a long day. Stick around. Oh shit. I think he's trying to kill a snake that's not a real snake. Alright guys, I got a little PSA here I'm just going to knock out real quick, get it out of the way. YouTube's making it real hard to survive for us creators. It's real important that you guys support the sponsors of this channel. Voss Helmets, Haddad, and Metric Method. Without them, I wouldn't be doing this, I promise you. Those guys are what's keeping this channel alive, to be honest. Alright, here we go. Hour and a half. That's where I'll be. That Prius is brake checking us. Where is this? Oceanside? San Clemente. This is San Clemente. Damn it. Thought I was in neutral. Missed. Oh shit, Surfing Donuts? It's one of those in Mission Viejo. You can go in there and get a cheeseburger on donuts.
So a couple days ago, I spilled Mountain Dew Baja Blast all over the caffeinator, and so I figured she needed a good wash down. While we're waiting, I don't want to be here, you know, just kind of like not tactical. You know, I'm a tactical guy.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Huh?
There you are. I couldn't find you.
Yeah, I know. That's what I used to do for a living. I used to blend into bushes.
I don't know if that's bad or not. Hopefully we're done f***ing around and we can go get some tacos now. Slug bug pow! Mommy's alright, daddy's alright, they just seem a little weird. Surrender, surrender, but don't give yourself away. Surrender. Finally off the goddamn freeway. These tacos better be good.
You gotta eat the brains. The brains.
I'm not eating brain, you're eating brain. Brain and guts. Tacos El Gordo.
Tacos El Gordo.
So we made it. What are you gonna get?
The weirdest thing on the menu. And I'm gonna lick the sign.
That's pretty weird. What about you, Slick Rick? What are you gonna get?
Brain sounded good.
Brain sounded good. All right. Brain eaters. Misfits. All right. Let's eat.
It's gonna be good. Let's go.
All right, newcomer Rick, Tacos El Gordo, what do you think?
They're actually really good.
You got brain and guts.
Yeah.
What did you like the better, the brain or the guts?
The guts were bony.
Bony. Guts were bony.
Yeah.
Gross. What about you? What'd you think?
I'll be back for the brains next week. Guts are bad. They should just take that off the menu.
Take that off the menu. I wasn't brave like these guys, but I got the spicy pork and I got the carne asada. It was so good. My only hang up with this place, the line is out of control.
Look at it through the window.
Every taco has its own distinct line, but people don't seem to care. Look at this. Parking lot is full. It's nowhere near lunch. It's nowhere near dinner. And we had to wait for an hour to find a table. All right, well, I still got a little room. I feel like we should run on down to Oceanside since it's on the way home. Grab a cheesesteak.
Cheese whiz.
With Cheese Whiz.
Cheese whiz.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Right on. Today's just full of freeways. Dude's headlights falling off. Brains. I don't know, guys. I just can't wrap my head around a brain taco. Ground up gut taco. No way in hell. Hell is this thing? Looks expensive. Get out of the way, Prius. Nice. A lot of nice cars out today. Slutbug, pal. This is not a nice car. Look at that. I'm not even hungry. What am I doing? We just ate. Do I really need a cheesesteak? The answer to that is yes. Yes, I do. I don't know which way to go. What street is this? No U-turn. Now we're officially stuffed. Not only tacos, but also cheesesteaks. What do you guys think of the cheesesteak?
They should probably take a trip to Booze and learn how it's done. Oh!
Hey, it's hard to top Booze, that's for sure. What'd you think, Mr. Rick?
I liked it. It was pretty good.
I don't think they use real cheese whiz. It's a shame. And I think they chopped their meat up a little too fine. What do you think?
Agreed. Tastes like a taco.
Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you go over to the Clip channel, get his version of today's events. Link in the description of the video. Make sure you get online, SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest, greatest, always adding new stuff there. Visit the sponsors, Metric Method, Henry Haddad, and of course, Voss Helmets for supporting the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I do upload a video. Later.